students. Can you hear me?
Good evening, sir.
Can you hear me now, all of you?
Sir.
Yes. Okay, fine. Now, this is called taxonomical
Sir,
hierarchy. Okay.
Sir, it's
Hello?
still breaking, sir. It's like, like
They guess where Tarun is.
Hello?
Hi, sir.
that. Yes, sir.
Audible,
Sir.
right?
Sometimes it's like, so, I mean, most of the times it's like you're breaking very much, sir.
Yes, sir.
சார் அடிக்கடி கேட்க மாட்டேன்னு சொல்றாங்க. Like they are not able to.
They guess where Tarun is, ra.
Or the football class.
Yeah, he bumped
I
it
get
today
it.
also. They told us.
Then
He
why
told
was he
his.
there before?
No. He tells to his parents that they're doing paper correction only, and then he goes.
oh my, dude.
Yeah.
Oh my
He's like,
God.
they do paper discussion. I'll go.
Bro, if I
I was
tell
like,
my
I won't
dude,
say,
if,
like,
if I tell my mom that, and if I
Dun,
tell
dun,
that
dun,
to my
dun.
here now.
if I tell that to my mom and she like knows that
I don't have to worry about that.
she finds
My
out that
class
I'm lying.
You
Like
know that for me
I
also,
can't play for an
at the
entire
timing
year.
like
Hey,
Monday.
first of all, you don't even go to a football class.
No, like if she finds out I lie in like this coaching stuff, can't even like
See
play for an year.
wait, for me also.
My
when
mom
I
can't even
wait,
find
wait,
out because I
for
don't.
me also, when I joined, I only had a batch for my age, like under 15. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, 6:30 to 7:30 something. And I was like, no, you're not going to football class. It's the timings like that. And then only I got a under 18 club for Saturday and Sunday. Now I'm an under 18. That's why I had an interleague tournament with
My name
under
is so
21.
nice.
And
Wait, but how
point.
Tarun okay.
Look at my name.
What is that gungu? Okay. I saw it at the start also when you joined.
Yeah.
I was like, GD, who is GD? Hey, tomorrow maybe they'll give us costumes, not costume rehearsal.
Of
Just
course they'll give us.
Hey, they should have given us today.
They should have given
They
us
gave
today,
some
actually.
king and
Bro,
princess.
but my name is the best, ra.
Huh?
My name is the best.
Hey, Nitish, I'm getting a free lab coat.
Free lab coat.
Yeah.
I already got one from my sister.
No, if people who don't have a lab coat, like me and Kongwel, because we are siblings. Sorry, we don't have siblings.
Yo, what did you say? Why did you say this now? Your sibling? Okay. I don't know that.
No, you misunderstood it.
Single child.
Yeah, we both are single child. We both are single child. Hey, we both
Look
are
at my
single.
name.
That's how we're gonna
Hey, we
like
both are two children. How can we both be single child?
Nitish.
Only child, Ra.
Hey,
Only
it
child.
wasn't me, right? It was Nitish.
Hey, you both are only children, Ra.
No, we are
Then
only.
what are you, Dad?
You guys are only fans.
Only.
Students, can you hear me now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible? Clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
No.
fine.
How did I respond?
Your video
fine.
is lagging, Nasan.
Okay,
Yeah,
I
listen.
didn't even
Please
turn
listen.
on my video. Oh, okay, I did.
Okay, please listen. So, let's repeat. There are 1.7 to
The screen share.
1.8 million.
Sir, you
Oh,
don't
not
need to do it from the start, sir.
just a minute. Hello students, can you able to see the screen now?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, good. So there are more than 1.8 million species have been discovered, established on Earth. They are 1.7 to 1.8 million species. You can see lot of organisms here, starting from bacteria to like single-celled bacteria to huge-sized animals like elephants and whales. Okay, fine. Now, like the organisms can be classified from similarity to diversity. Okay, similarity to diversity, and the category are at different levels. You can see it is starting with species, then genus, then family, order, class, phylum, kingdom. See, they are called basically taxonomical hierarchy. Okay, very, very important thing you should know. Okay, similarity to diversity, and these 7 levels are very important. Now, let's see one by one. The lowest category is species. How do you define species? Species means an organism like who the members of an organism can interbreed among themselves to produce their own type. Means we are human beings, we are a species, we can interbreed among ourselves and we can produce another kind of human being like us. That is called what? That is a simple definition, meaning you can give for species. Okay, similar type of individuals and they can produce their own type. That is the meaning of species. Okay, that's the meaning of species.
Sir,
Okay,
so males are a different species and females are a different
no,
species in
no,
humans.
human species. See, listen, in some organism, they are called hermaphrodites, bisexual condition. They within the same organism, the progeny are produced, but we are unisexual. Means male separate, female separate, but same species. All are Homo sapiens only, but sexes are different. Same species, different sexes. Can you understand?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay, fine. So we breed among themselves since we are of different sexes, same species but different sexes. That's why we could able to breed among ourselves and produce progeny like us. Okay, fine. So that's the first thing you should know. Many examples are there for species. Okay, many examples are there. Can you give me some example of species which you know?
Lion.
Here, what are the examples given? All cats, one species.
Like
Though they may show some differences. For example,
yes,
they may show differences, vary in color, height, length of tail, but still they can interpret.
Sir, so
Okay, that's why.
basically tiger is a big cat.
Ah,
you didn't know that.
No, I know that like tiger is basically a
no,
big cat.
Tiger,
no.
lion,
Actually, they're not same
leopard.
species. They may. We are going to discuss that in what way they are connected. In what way they are connected, we are going to see that. Okay, first now please understand what is species level. Tiger, as of now, what you should know is tiger is a different species and cat is a different species. Can you understand?
Yeah.
Yes.
What you should know, tiger is different species, cat is different species. Okay,
Oh, okay, okay.
fine. Now,
Sir, so tiger, cat, and lion are of same family.
we will come to that. Don't worry. Don't confuse yourself now. We are coming to that. Okay, fine. Here one example is given. Like that, many examples like tiger means as well as here you can see Other examples in humans also, no other similar species like humans. We are different. We are separate species. Like how cat is a different species, like that humans are separate species. Like that, people tree separate species. Mango tree separate species. Can you understand? Fine. Now, other animals like horse and donkey. What definition we gave here is normally breed among themselves. But look at here, donkey is a different species, horse is a different species. Okay, actually they are not the same species. They are a different species. Okay, and they can breed and they can mate and they can produce another progeny. And what is the name called?
Mule.
Mule. And is it contrasting to the term which is given here? Species normally breed among themselves and produce their own type. But can you see the contrasting meaning of here? The species, the term. Is it contrasting?
Yes, sir.
Different species, horse and donkey are different species. Still they can breed. Still they can produce a progeny. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
But
Sir, horse
still
is
listen.
always a female, sir.
Bruh,
Hmm.
you like graduated from McDonald's. What are you talking now?
No, something called, see, listen, in plant, you come to know about what? A cross called what? Reciprocal cross. Okay?
Conguel, I didn't know that.
Okay, please listen. In reciprocal cross, even vice versa can be done. Okay, fine. See here,
Hybrid.
first understand, see, listen, see, please, first listen. Here, the term defines species, organism belong to the same species, breed themselves and produce their own type. Sometimes this is called what? Intraspecific breeding. You can say if you want to give a definition for that, it is called
So
what?
does mule have
Intra.
the like does the offspring have the properties of both of them combined, or one of this, one of that, like that?
No, here both. But the important thing is sterile. Can you see the mule is sterile?
So we can't reproduce with a mule
Yeah,
and a mule,
it
or a
cannot
mule and a horse like
reproduce.
that.
Okay. Hmm?
So,
And look at that. Someone asked, sir, always horse is a female or donkey is a male. Look at
horse
that.
is a male.
A cross between a horse male and a female, okay, also produces kidney, okay, which also incapable of breeding. Means in vice versa also it can be done. Female donkey, male horse also done. Of course, female donkey can give rise to progeny, and again that is also sterile. Sterile means cannot reproduce.
Sir,
Yes,
every
sir.
crossbreed isn't sterile, sir.
No, no, it's not so.
So like like
It is not
the
so. See, listen. There
like the
are
dog.
varieties of dogs are there. Something called in some like interspecific breeding, like example humans. There are many interspecific. Interspecific. You can say cross breeding. Because of cross breeding only, we have varieties of animals, varieties of plants now. So, need not to be sterile. Organisms which are result of interspecific between two different species, if they are produced, they are need not to be sterile. It depends. Can you understand? The
Yes, sir.
kind of
Yes, sir.
organism,
Yes, sir.
yeah, that's keep that in mind. Okay, fine. Means, can you understand what are species now?
Yes, sir.
Now, next we will go to The next category. And here there are some examples of cross with two different species. Like mule, there are many things you can see here, witness. Zebra mated with donkey. They are called what? Zenki. Zebra and donkey. Zenki. Okay. And you
Nice
can see
name.
this as, yeah, it is very interesting term. A male baby Zenki with his donkey mother. Can you see? Donkey mother
Yes,
and
yes,
zebra baby. Zebra like baby. Okay, they are called Zenki. Again, here also you can see Zenki is sterile. Okay, Zenki is sterile. And then Tigon. What is called Tigon?
Sir, male
Tiger
tiger with
mating with
it's a
the,
tiger and
yeah,
lion.
female lion.
yeah. And again you can see sterile. Okay,
Yes,
male
sir.
tiger, female lion. Tigon, sterile. And then jeep. What is jeep? Goat and a sheep. Again, sterile.
Sir.
Okay, and then all these things are example of what? Sterile organisms. And then
Potato and a
potato and
tomato.
tomato. Okay, you can see tomato and potato, and then no seeds. Okay, so there are no seeds. Means cannot able
Tomato
to.
has a
There are
seeds, sir.
means. See, listen. If no seeds, no sexual reproduction. Only vegetative propagation is possible.
Sir,
Asexual
but
But
reproduction is
how
like
does
possible.
hello?
Hmm?
so the tomato like doesn't like removes the property of a tomato to have a seed. So the tomato doesn't have
It
any seeds.
see it has nutritional values of both tomato and potato.
No seeds.
Okay,
Sir, so how is this possible, sir? In the flower chapter, we learned only like the pollen grains can land on same type
uh,
of flower.
see that's what. See, listen, they are because of what they are a kind of genetic modification, genetic engineering practices. All these things are by artificial, like genetic engineering,
Sir,
GE
so
techniques.
tomato is not natural; it's synthetic.
Hmm? See, genome of potato and genome of tomato are modified, recombined. That's why
Sir, so
a new
tomato is lab made.
plant.
So it's
That's what
man-made.
means. See, listen, not whole tomato they are making in the lab.
Only the
It
seed.
is genes. No, listen, genes of potato plus genes of tomato. Both are crossed, and a
So
plant,
it's
a
like
new plant is
gene
produced.
inter.
That
It's
plant
not like
produces.
it's not sexually produced or like
It is,
genetically produced.
yeah, it is, yeah, a kind of somatic. See, do you remember something? Please remember this term, something called what? Somatic hybridization. What is the term? Modern technique. It is called what? Somatic hybridization. Somatic hybridization. Hybrid. Somatic hybrids.
So,
Somatic cells of potato and somatic cells of tomato are fused. Okay, no gametes are involved here,
yes, sir.
and this used for propagation. Okay, so why you should know all this thing is what the definition we gave for species. Species are group of individuals which can interbreed among themselves and can produce their own type of organism. This is the definition given for species. But here you can see there are two type of breeding. One is within species called intraspecific species, and then there are also in science and in nature and even laboratory it is possible to make interspecific breeding. Means two different species can breed among themselves, they can produce progeny, and the examples given here or like mule, like zenki, like tigon, like jeep, like tomato, all are representing one group of organisms. Basically, all of them are sterile. Keep that in mind. All of them are sterile. It doesn't mean that by interspecific crossing we will get only sterile. Okay, there are some examples of sterile, but most of the species which you have now are because of interspecific breeding only in plants, in dogs, cats, cattle, whatever. Lot of new species, not the evolution, but the man created. See, evolution would have created 40 species of dogs, but man created 4,000 species of. I'm just giving you a rough picture. Evolution, just 40 species of dog, but man, because of such genetic interspecific cross,
Yeah, Patty.
man
Oh, sorry.
produced more than 4,000. Means it is tenfold faster than evolution. We are tenfold, hundredfold, thousandfolds faster than evolution. Can you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So that's about species. And now, what is the next taxonomic hierarchy? Okay.
Genus.
And genus. It is called what?
Genus.
Okay. It constitute group of species. Similar species constitute genus. Okay. Similar species together makes genus. And look at the examples. Okay. Like crows. We have crows around our homes, or hill crow, also called jungle crow, and different from house crow. Okay, means they vary in size, they vary in color, they vary in
The
beak
neck
shape.
color, like house
Yeah,
crow has a gray
that's
neck
what.
and jungle crow has a
ஆமா.
dark.
See, in Tamil, காக்கா அண்டங்காக்கா அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. Okay, means kaka is there and then andangaka, complete darkness in its body you can see. Okay, so even though they are two different species, look at that, jungle crow one species, house crow one species. Okay,
Yes,
and
sir.
they cannot interbreed, means they are not same species, and but both are belonging to same genus, different species, but still they are crow and they are called what? Genus.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
genus. Yeah,
Genus.
corvus is the genus name. Can you understand? So house crow, corvus, can you see? Corvus splendens. And then jungle crow, corvus macrorhynchos. Can you understand? So
Yes, sir.
andangaka அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். But complete darkness you can see. But here you can see some kind of white thing in its neck. Is it clear?
Yes,
So
sir.
two common and closely related species can be there in same genus. Is it clear? Species
Yes,
and
sir.
genus. And then next thing, a group of genus forms a family. Group of species forms
A
genus,
family.
and group of genus forms family. And here only you people initially started a discussion with a lion,
Oh,
tiger,
the lion,
etc.
tiger, and cats
Look
are
at that.
part
See,
of
look
family.
at that. The domestic cat. Okay, and the tiger,
Lion.
the lion. Actually, they are different genus, but still they can be classified under what? Same
Family.
family. Okay, and example, look at that. Lioness Panthera leo, Tigress Panthera tigris. Basically, they are lion and tiger are same species. Panthera.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Panthera. Okay, but cat Felicidae. Okay, cat like means Felis is the genus name. Panthera is the genus name. Felis is the genus name. Two different genus, but all comes under same family called what?
Cat family
Felidae.
or Felidae?
Yeah, Felidae family. Can you understand? Cat, lion, tiger, all belonging to same family. Okay, that's keep that in mind. And next, group of related families make order. Okay,
So does
and
that
for
mean like
example, yeah, Felidae. Okay, Felidae means which we saw now. Cat,
a cat
lion,
family?
tiger, and then dog family. Okay,
Canidae.
like Canidae. Okay, Canidae. Like you can see dogs, foxes, jackals all together. Basically, same
Oh,
order.
like so
Okay, they are
carnivora
of
is
same order
herbivora.
since they belonging to carnivora. Okay, all are
Carnivora in the
carnivores.
sense like
That's
meat
the
eating
order.
or like that.
Yeah, carnivora. Because of their eating habits, they all are coming under same order called carnivora. Okay, and fine. And then, okay, look at the complexity is increasing, and then related orders makes class. Okay, related order makes class. Okay, and
Mammals,
then
birds,
you can see,
reptiles, like
yeah,
that.
look at that. What we saw as of now: dogs,
Mammals.
cats, bats, whales, monkey, and even humans. All
Sir,
are belonging to
sir, for
same
a
class called
second, I thought when you
mammals.
said next class, I was like, wait, next class?
It's
Hello.
the class is about to end. Like,
No, like I thought you
okay,
said you
nice joke.
meant next class. It's not a
Nice
You
joke.
want to
I
leave?
no, no, sir. I said
Life is
Oh,
good.
I didn't get you. What you want to say?
no, sir.
So
When you
the
said next
no
class,
topic.
I was like, why are we ending it right now? We have a lot of time.
Oh, next
Okay.
class in the sense you misunderstood that next week's class. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Joke was
So fine,
amazing.
fine. Don't worry, don't
It
worry.
wasn't
It's
a
okay.
joke, duh.
Still listen.
Your life is
Yeah,
good.
yeah, yeah. Now I understood. See, now I understood. Fine. Related orders make class. Okay, like dogs, cats, bats, whales, monkeys, and even humans all have, since they have common features, and then since they have a mammary gland, all of the animals which have mammary gland
Does
can
that mean
called as
mammals,
mammals.
birds,
One
reptiles?
character, see,
Yeah.
yeah, this one character here, one character made them
Mute
carnivores.
yourself, Takum.
And here you can see, since they have mammary gland, all are together called mammals, mammalian.
Yes.
Okay, fine. And then next, phylum. Okay, and then look at that. There are in animals itself, you can see 11 phylums. We are going to see actually in animals itself, we have 11 phylum. Okay, based upon their like different classes can be there in one phylum. Okay,
Reptiles, birds.
phylum. Look at that largest division. Okay,
So
and
does
then
bats come under mammals in this?
yes,
Bats come under
bats
mammals, right?
are mammals. Bats are mammals. Okay, and then phylum. Many classes together makes phylum, and many phylum makes kingdom. Okay, many phylum makes kingdom.
So
Means,
kingdom is just every living
yeah.
being together.
For example, in this order, you can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In one kingdom,
All those 11
at
phylums
least 15
together
phylum.
are called kingdoms.
See, you can see the level is increasing. Kingdom is one. Then may have more.
Phylum.
One kingdom may have more phylum. One phylum have more class, and one class have more order. In one order, more families. In one family, many species, many genus. In one genus, many species. Can you understand this order? Okay,
Everyone mute.
so
No,
this
duh.
is called what?
Hello,
Taxonomic hierarchy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you
hello.
tell me
Hey, we
which is
can
the
hear you,
different
Rajasan.
species.
What did you ask, sir?
Genus,
genus, family,
family,
order,
order,
class,
class,
phylum,
phylum.
kingdom.
Yeah. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And you can connect it with a pyramid-like structure.
For
Pyramid. Can you see?
what?
One kingdom has many phylum. One phylum has many class. One class has many order. And then look at it like this.
Many order as.
Ah,
See, order as.
one order has many family. One family has many genus. Many
One
genus has one genus has many species.
many.
Can you understand? Like that, it goes on. Pyramid like. Okay,
Yes,
pyramid.
sir. Species in the sense male and female gets included, sir. I don't want to hear you fart always. So I
I'm
have
doing
a
this.
species in the sense male and
Hey,
female
stop
gets,
it.
male and female gets combined, right? So as a species.
Yes.
Can you hear?
Yes, you're
Hey,
correct.
mobile, stop
I
it.
know you're doing that on purpose, sir.
Hey, stop it.
Wait, actually.
I know you're doing it on purpose. Actually,
Damn.
I lost the ball. Anyway.
Hmm.
Hi.
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 Long time no see.
He didn't even turn on his
Hey,
camera.
1 second. Let's see if this is satisfying, sir.
No, it's like you keeping your headset down, removing it from your head and keeping it down.
No, I'm closing my scale. It makes like a click sound.
Okay, is this satisfying?
Hey, that's
Hey,
not
no,
satisfying.
no, it's disgusting.
Okay, what about this?
This is more satisfying.
Hey, yo! What are you doing, man?
Hey, I'll tell you. I have the best. Like,
Hello,
what is it?
am I muted?
How do you say that? I have the best thing there. Like, you guys just listen to it.
What?
We can't hear anything.
No, actually, we can't hear anything.